Imagine your digestive system as a well-oiled machine, effortlessly processing and eliminating waste. However, sometimes this machine can become sluggish, leading to the uncomfortable and frustrating condition known as constipation. Just like a clogged pipe, constipation can disrupt our daily lives and leave us feeling weighed down. But fear not, for in this video, we will delve into the world of constipation, uncover its causes, and provide you with practical solutions to keep your digestive system flowing smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with valuable knowledge to lead a healthier, more comfortable life. Welcome, health enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Cure How. For more, access our website. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide: constipation. Join us on this journey as we unlock the secrets to a smooth digestive system. Have you ever heard the phrase, "Trust your gut"? It turns out there's more truth to it than meets the eye. Our gut and brain are intricately connected, forming what scientists call the gut-brain axis. This means that our emotions and mental state can directly impact our digestion, including the occurrence of constipation. Did you know that stress and anxiety can disrupt the normal functioning of your digestive system, leading to constipation? In times of stress, our body releases hormones that can slow down bowel movements, causing waste to accumulate in our intestines. This phenomenon is commonly known as stress-induced constipation. So here's a practical tip for you. Take steps to manage stress and anxiety in your life, such as practicing mindfulness, engaging in regular exercise, and seeking support from loved ones. Remember, a calm mind leads to a happy gut is associated with an increased risk of constipation. Researchers found, according to a study published in the journal Gastroenterology, chronic stress is associated that individuals with high levels of stress were more likely to experience constipation symptoms. As the New York Times best-selling author and wellness activist Chris Carr once said, "Your gut is your second brain. It's important to nourish both." Now let's talk about hydration, the magical elixir for a happy gut. Water, the elixir of life, plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Dehydration can be a major culprit behind constipation, as it leads to hardened stools that are difficult to pass. Ensuring adequate hydration is key to keeping your digestive system running smoothly. Did you know that the colon, which is responsible for eliminating waste, absorbs water from the stool? When we are dehydrated, our body prioritizes water absorption for essential functions, leaving less water available for the colon. This can result in dry and compacted stools, leading to constipation. So, here's a practical tip. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day and increase your intake during hot weather or physical activity. Additionally, consuming water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables can contribute to your overall hydration. A study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that increasing water intake significantly improved bowel movement frequency and stool consistency in individuals with constipation. As the great Leonardo da Vinci once said, "Water is the driving force of all nature." When it comes to maintaining regular bowel movements, fiber is your best friend. This indigestible plant material adds bulk to your stool and helps it move through your intestines more easily. Did you know that there are 2 types of fiber, soluble and insoluble? Soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool. Both types are essential for promoting regularity and preventing constipation. So, here's a practical tip. Increase your fiber intake gradually to allow your body to adjust. Include fiber-rich foods in your diet, such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and nuts. If needed, you can also consider fiber supplements, but consult with a healthcare professional first. A systematic review published in the American Journal of Gastroenterology found that increasing dietary fiber intake significantly improved stool frequency and consistency in individuals with constipation. As registered dietitian and nutritionist, Joy Bauer advises, eat fiber-rich foods, not fiber-fortified foods. Nature knows best. Now let's explore the power of probiotics, those friendly bacteria that can work wonders for your gut health. The health of our gut flora, the trillions of microorganisms living in our intestines, plays a crucial role in our digestive health. Probiotics, the beneficial bacteria found in certain foods and supplements, can help restore and maintain a healthy balance of gut flora, reducing the risk of constipation. Did you know that probiotics can improve gut motility, the movement of food through the digestive system? By enhancing the contractions of the intestinal muscles, probiotics can help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. So, here's a practical tip. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods into your diet, such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and other fermented foods. If needed, you can also consider probiotic supplements. And to help you, we will leave the best options in the market in the description of this video. A meta-analysis published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology concluded that probiotics significantly improved stool frequency and consistency, as well as overall bowel movement satisfaction in individuals with constipation. As the ancient physician Hippocrates wisely said, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." In conclusion, constipation may feel like an unwelcome guest, but armed with the knowledge and practical tips we've shared in this video, you can overcome this digestive conundrum. Remember to manage stress, stay hydrated, include fiber in your diet, exercise regularly, and nurture your gut flora with probiotics. By embracing these lifestyle changes, you can unleash the power of a smooth and healthy digestive system, allowing you to live life to the fullest. So bid farewell to constipation and step into a world of digestive bliss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. For more, access our website and blog, and stay tuned for more exciting episodes on health and wellness. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.